If your Pioneer TV won't turn on and all you see is a black screen, it can feel like the TV is beyond repair. Before assuming the worst, there are several safe and easy things you can try that often solve the problem. In this video, I'll walk you through proven troubleshooting steps to help identify whether it's a power issue, a setting problem, or something else stopping your TV from turning on. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video, share it with anyone dealing with the same issue, and subscribe for more simple TV fixes. Let's start with the most basic step because it rules out the most common cause right away. Check the power connection and make sure the TV is firmly plugged into the wall outlet with no loose connection. After that, test the same outlet using another device, like a phone charger or small appliance, just to confirm the outlet itself is working. If the TV is connected through a surge protector or power strip, unplug it and connect the TV directly to the wall. These devices can fail silently and stop power from reaching the TV. If everything looks fine there and nothing changes, the next step is a power cycle, also called a soft reset. Unplug the TV completely from the wall and leave it unplugged for at least 10 to 15 minutes. This waiting time is important, so don't rush it. It allows any leftover power inside the TV to drain and can reset internal protection circuits. Once the time has passed, plug the TV directly back into the wall and try turning it on again. If the TV still doesn't respond, let's rule out the remote control. Try turning the TV on using the physical power button on the TV itself. This button is usually located on the side, back, or bottom edge, depending on the model. Press the button and see if the TV reacts. If it does, the issue may be with the remote rather than the TV. Now let's look at the remote more closely. Replace the batteries with fresh ones, even if the old batteries don't seem completely dead. Weak batteries can prevent the TV from receiving power commands. On some Pioneer models, there is a specific display button and arrow key sequence that can help bring the picture back before pressing the power button. This only applies to certain models, so try it only if your remote has these buttons. If the TV appears to power on but the screen stays black, the TV may actually be on but not displaying an image. In this case, change the input or HDMI source, and make sure any connected device, like a cable box or game console, is turned on. Also try a different HDMI cable, because a faulty cable can cause a black screen even when the TV itself is working normally. Finally, check the TV's standby light. If the red light stays on but the TV won't turn on, it usually means there is a hardware problem inside the TV, often with the power supply. This is common in older TVs, and a professional repair may be needed. That's it for fixing a TV that won't turn on or is stuck on a black screen. These steps help rule out the common at-home fixes and give you a better idea of the problem. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. If you have a question or one of these steps worked, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.